Today's greatest threat is not climate change, not pollution, not famine, flood, or fire. It's that we've got people in charge of important shit who don't believe in science. So what are we at Conservation International going to do? We're working to change the conversation around nature. We're focusing on jobs and livelihoods and security. It's not about animals and trees and icebergs. It's about the ability of a community to survive. It's about your child, what you're putting in your body, your future. We'll help equip communities and businesses to lead. Show them it's in their own self-interest to protect nature. We'll give people the tools they need to change their world. There is a new generation of leaders. I have a thought for them. Go for it. All in. Stick with it. If we don't stop the destruction of nature, nothing else will matter. Simple as that.